Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a trending topic that's been making waves in the health world: weight loss with apple cider vinegar. First things first, what exactly is apple cider vinegar? Well, it's a fermented liquid made from crushed apples. It contains acetic acid and other beneficial compounds that have sparked interest in the weight loss community. One of the key claims is that apple cider vinegar can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories. Some studies suggest that acetic acid might influence metabolic processes, but the effects are often modest. It's not a magical solution, but incorporating it into your routine might contribute to your weight loss efforts. Another claim is that apple cider vinegar can help curb your appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake. Some research indicates that consuming vinegar with a meal can make you feel fuller, but it's important to note that individual responses vary. It might be a helpful tool, but remember, balanced eating is still crucial. Some enthusiasts believe that apple cider vinegar promotes fat burning, especially around the belly area. While there's limited evidence to support this, keep in mind that spot reduction isn't scientifically proven. A combination of a healthy diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes remains the foundation of effective fat loss. So, if you're intrigued, how can you incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine? Start small. Add a teaspoon or two to a glass of water and drink it before meals. You can also use it in salad dressings or marinades. But remember, moderation is key, as too much vinegar can have adverse effects. Before you jump in, a few cautions. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, so it can potentially harm tooth enamel or irritate the digestive system if overused. It's also not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your routine. To sum it up, apple cider vinegar might have some benefits for weight loss, but it's not a miracle solution. It can potentially support your efforts when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, and what works for one person might not work for another. That's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.